Thinking Businessman here, and today we'll be talking about the AirBnB IPO. Now, for a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this is all just my own opinion. So, Airbnb hikes its IPO pricing range and targets a $42 billion valuation. So, they previously planned to sell shares for around $44 to $50, which means its new price is around $56 to $60. And what I can tell from that is that Airbnb is already being hyped up. There's a lot of buyers right now, and before market opens, I'm going to guess that Airbnb's opening price will be probably closer to $70 to $80. And if that happens, I would not buy this for several reasons if it opens in that level. Mainly because of all the risk. Well, besides the coronavirus hurting their business, for the next probably half a year to a year, depends on when everyone gets mass vaccinated. But there's a lot of risk from competitors like hotels and Expedia.com, Priceline.com, all those type of companies. They're competing with Airbnb. There's also a risk of natural disaster, which is not a big risk really, but it's still there. And then there's also the risk of regulation, as cities around the world start trying to stop people from buying properties and then gentrifying them and then renting them out. Like in LA, that was a problem, and because of that, the Airbnb does not have the best reputation with governments around the world. But in any case, if Airbnb does open up in, let's say, the low 50 range somehow, I think that could be a good buy. But like I said, if it opens up at $70 to $80 or above that, I'm not touching it. Simple as that. I mean, you could buy it at open and may shoot up another $20 or something like that, and do the same thing Snow did. But this investment is just not for me. And this right here, this price hike, just tells me that something like this is probably going to happen. But if you do invest in this, take your time looking at their liabilities, their assets, what's their plan of to get even more, to get profitable, and how the coronavirus and all these other risks really affect the business in the long term. In any case, have a good day, everyone, and just be careful when you invest. Goodbye.